Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, I have this Lenovo A7000A. This mobile phone have problem in the power button. So I tried to find it, explore it here in the local market. So I did not find. If you go to this phone, here we have 5 terminals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 points on this phone, and we have switches like this. The third switch here, and this line is here. So we have 3 switches. This center line is common for these 2 switches. This switch is separate. So I will connect battery and we will turn it on by the tweezer. So we can connect jumper by this tweezer. It is started. I will show you again. So the telephone is working. Just only we have problem in the switch strip. This is cracked from here. And I will cut this strip from here. I will cut the conducting part of this strip as well. So we will separate the switches from each other, because now we will make a new wiring. Set it to continuity, connect both sides of this switch, and now I will press the switch. The switch is okay. Now connect to this switch, the last switch. Wire, I will make jumper from this end to number 1, from this end to number 3, like this. What I did, I connected this switch to the first pin, this line to first pin. Here is power on, volume common, volume. So how is the connection? The last wire is coming to number 1 pin. Okay, power on, this button is connected to pin number 3, and this switch is connected to pin number 1 and 2. So let's check. Now I will power on. So this is the best way when you are working. Work logically. So now it's power on. Touch is working. So I will press volume button. So volume button is decreasing and it's increasing. Increase, decrease, okay. And power off and power on button, it's working. So that's good. So we repaired the switch and it's now okay. Thanks for watching. If this video is good for you, you can like, subscribe and share if you want. If you want to watch my future videos, you can press bell icon button if you want. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.